In order to build a viable product, you need to have a business model. What is a business model exactly? Well, a business model describes how a business creates, delivers, and captures value. We'll break this down further using the business model canvas. The business model canvas is a helpful tool to map out a business model, which was created by Alexander Osterwalder. And it captures a number of different components that will impact your ability to create and bring a product to market. On the left, we have things that need to happen in order to build the product, and the associated costs with building and delivering the product to the customer. In the middle is the value prop. This is about what the product is and why people would want it. And then on the right, we have customers, who your customers are, how you interact with them, and how you get your product to them, as well as the associated revenue that your customers generate in exchange for your product. Let's walk through the business model canvas in more depth in the next video.